Writing allows an author to share their beliefs, fantasies, and spiritual experiences with the world. Several years ago, I wrote a small poetry collection that was lost. At some point in my life, I stopped writing literature and focused on science. Scientific research also involved writing papers, which reflected my passion for writing, yet something deep inside me longed to express my spiritual experiences. However, time is the scarcest resource in a scientist's life, and writing demands time, so I kept postponing it. Then, I suddenly found myself with some free time. I believed this free time was a gift from nature, an opportunity to write what I had never been able to before. Writing helped me unveil the beauty of my soul, which had remained hidden for many years. When I began writing, I realized that I had never truly paid attention to the needs and desires of the most precious part of my being, my own soul. Despite being a scientist, I still believe in the soul, and perhaps in something far greater. This spare time allowed me to explore the beautiful landscapes of my soul. I wandered through its virtual canyons, passes, and mountains, discovering its hidden beauty. I traveled through it across dimensions of space and time, experiencing its changing seasons. I endured its freezing chills and then witnessed the ice melting. This journey showed me how resilient seeds of love and compassion can sprout from small crevices in the mountains during spring. When the sun burned bright, I saw how my life sought shadows in the deserts. The beauty, diversity, and colors of my life have illuminated everything I have. I hope that when I share my soul's insights with you, the reader or listener, you will appreciate and admire them. You may even feel compelled to pierce the veil that separates yourself from your soul. For beneath these valleys, canyons, and deserts, all souls are connected. When one soul is enlightened, others are enlightened too.